Today I'm with Eric Johnston from Owens Corning. Welcome.
Thank you.
We're up in a really cold attic, which tells me we need to make sure we have some good insulation. What can you tell me about some of the things we should be looking for to figure out if we have enough insulation up here?
Well, the first thing you want to do is measure the depth of the insulation.
Okay.
We have these handy-dandy rulers, but a simple tape measure works as well. As you can see, this attic has about 5 to 6 inches of insulation, probably around R17 or so.
Okay. And we're trying to get to?
The U.S. Department of Energy recommends up to R60.
Okay.
For attics, which is 22 inches of insulation.
So we're not even close to that. What would we be doing for in this one?
Probably shooting for R49 to R60.
Okay. So what type of energy loss is there in an attic?
The highest percentage of energy loss in your home is through the attic.
It is through the attic, okay. And it doesn't matter whether it's an old home or a new home. Is that right? I mean, should we be checking if my home is only 5 years old? Could I still have a problem with not enough insulation?
Absolutely. No, current code in a lot of areas is R30, which is well below the U.S. Department of Energy recommendations.
Okay. And up here, what we're talking about using is a blow-in product. Can you tell me a little bit about that product?
Today we're going to be using the Atticat blown-in insulation system. There are a number of different types of insulation out there that you can use. There are rolls, bats, and then the blown-in product that we're going to be using today.
And what are some of the benefits of the blow-in that we're looking at using?
Well, I think the biggest benefit is the ease of use. The Atticat system is very easy to use. It's one of the safest machines out there, and your average homeowner is not going to have any problem using the machine.
So an average homeowner can use it, and we're just going to blow right on top of what's already here?
That's correct. You don't need to remove the existing insulation. You just blow right over the top.
So we're not going to lose any of the benefit of what we already have.
That's correct.
That's great. So let's get started.
Sounds great.
Ready? All right. So, Eric, we were at about 5 inches of insulation, and now we're up to about 18. It's quite a bit. I was surprised at how easy it is, and it really isn't that dusty, but I'm guessing there's some precautions and some equipment you want to have?
Absolutely. That's one of the benefits of this system. It is a low-dust system, but certainly any time in your attic, there's some basic safety precautions that we recommend. Gloves, eyeglasses, standard dust respirator are just good practices anytime you're up in your attic.
Okay. So we're going to go, another 5 inches on this?
This homeowner is going to go up to R60. We're currently at about 18 inches, which is R49. Even if they were to stop right now, they would see some significant...
Some good benefits. And it's not just wintertime.
That's correct. This is a great thing to do year-round. You're going to reduce your heating costs in the winter and your cooling costs in the summer.
Okay, that's great, double benefit. And then tax incentives, there's a lot of that going on now. Do we have anything for when you insulate?
Absolutely. There's never been a better time to insulate your attic. With the stimulus package, there's a $1,500 federal tax credit available. Depending on who your local energy provider is, there are a number of local cash rebates out there as well.
That's great. So now's a great time to insulate, and if you're looking for more information on insulation, you can go to
insulateandsave.com.
Okay, thank you very much for the information. That's some great tips.
Thanks.
Thank you.